lightning's back there.
That's cool, man. I'll tell you what, it's perfect. Yeah.
My God, bro. I mean, it makes it much cooler sunset.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you look over there, you can see the lightning. It's approaching our area.
Yeah, look how the clouds are coming.
Yeah. There's all these like fluffier clouds, or cumulonimbulus.
Shit.
Then go.
Yeah, you see over there?
Yeah.
I like that. I'll tell you, that's badass.
Yeah. It's just really cool. It makes it a really nice environment.
Oh,
Yeah, this stuff.
this is just picture perfect. Picture
Yeah. Got a picture of it. I mean, it's really nice. And this is the only reason I like storms, just because of the pure beauty of this.
It is.
You
Along
have
with
a
the sunset.
You have a cool photo right there.
Yeah. Badass.
Oh, there we go. That's the lightning.
That's so cool. That was cool. I'm glad I got out here early, you know.
Yeah.
Look, it's just going down right now. Damn it.
And no, it's coming to us.
Getting ready to disappear.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, that looks perfect.
Yeah, that's called a heat storm, where it generates constant lightning.
Oh, you got it just in time. Beautiful picture.
Oh yeah.
Love it. Nothing see. They want to take it. Yeah.